So the next one is 2014 Rookies and Stars Longevity. Going to have 10 packs and 4 hits. Usually it's 1 auto and 3 jerseys. I think this was a retail only product. 2014 Rookies and Stars Longevity. There's a red and a rookie, a couple of rookies. Have a red longevity. AJ Green for the Bengals. AJ Green for the Bengals, red. Not numbered. Not numbered. Rookie for the Jags, Blake Bortles. Blake Bortles, struggling this year. And rookie for the Cards, Logan Thomas. Logan Thomas for the Cardinals. Stay up. Pack number 2. Got a red rookie. Red rookie for the Bucks, Austin Seferian-Jenkins. Austin Seferian-Jenkins for the Bucks. Regular rookie, Cyrus Kouandjio for the Bills. Cyrus Kouandjio for the Bills. And nice one, Carlos Hyde for the Niners. Carlos Hyde for the 49ers. Next pack. Got a backwards one, should be a hit. Rookie for the Panthers, Kelvin Benjamin. Kelvin Benjamin for the Panthers. Jarvis Landry for the Dolphins. Jarvis Landry. And hit number 1. Ooh, going to be a nice one for the Raiders. Khalil Mack. Oh, let me get that to the right side. Auto jersey. Nice. Khalil Mack for the Raiders. Auto jersey. Numbered out of, what's that, 99? Khalil Mack out of 99. Auto jersey. Nice. Pack 4. Another backwards one. This should be hit number 2. Got a couple rookies first. Rookie for the Titans, Bishop Sankey. Bishop Sankey for the Titans. Rookie for the Saints, Brandon Coleman. Brandon Coleman. And hit number 2, Devonta Freeman, nice player. Oh, nice. Ink. Auto jersey for the Falcons. Nice. 2 auto jerseys. For the Falcons, Devonta Freeman. Auto jersey out of 99. Very nice. I think we have 5 or 6 packs left. Already 2 nice hits. A couple of rookies in this one. Rookie for the Browns, Isaiah Crowell. Isaiah Crowell for the Browns. And nice, Derek Carr, rookie for the Raiders. Derek Carr, nice one. Next pack, got a red. Red for the Bears, Brandon Marshall. Brandon Marshall, red. Andre Williams, rookie for the Giants. Andre Williams. And a Kadeem Carey, rookie for the Bears. Kadeem Carey. So we have 4 packs left. Still looking for 2 more hits. Probably just going to be jerseys. But I was only expecting 1 auto out of this, and we've already hit 2. I got a red rookie for the Saints, Brandon Cooks. Brandon Cooks, red rookie. Devonta Freeman, rookie to go with that auto. Devonta Freeman. And Darquez Denard for the Bengals. Darquez Denard. Alright, this one feels a little thicker than the last pack. Should be hit number 3. And there's the backwards one. Sneak that to the back. A couple rookies. For the Packers, Jared Abradarius. Jared Abradarius for the Packers. Oh, Packers again. Clinton Dix. Clinton Dix for the Packers. And hit number 3 for the Bucks. Nice player. Oh, nice. 3 auto jerseys. Charles Sims for the Bucks. I had him on my fantasy team until he got hurt. He was doing actually pretty good until he got hurt. Charles Sims, auto jersey. 3 of them in this box. Nice. So we have 2 packs left. See if the 4th hit will be another auto jersey. Should be right here. Yep, see a backwards one. See if we can go 4 for 4 on auto jerseys. There's a Charles Sims rookie to go with that auto. Charles Sims, Bucks. Brett Smith rookie again for the Bucks. Brett Smith. And number 3, oh nice, Carlos Hyde. And nice, auto jersey for the 49ers, Carlos Hyde. Auto jersey. Nice hot box. Carlos Hyde for the, I think they're all running backs too. Freeman, Sims, Hyde. I don't remember who the first one was. Nice. And we still have 1 pack left. 1 pack, empty box. This one feels a little thinner. Probably not gonna be a hit. I got a red one though. This must be like the red hot box. I know they had it in, what was that, Certified? They have the red hot boxes where everything's red. AJ Green, red for the Bengals. I think we already hit this one too. AJ Green for the Bengals. Logan Thomas, rookie for the Cards. And a Kelvin Benjamin, rookie for the Panthers.